Hi everyone, Dimitri is here.
Jason here.
Finally, Jason in Shanghai, and today we're going to show you exclusive content, guys, how we are manufacturing the LED models for our outdoor and indoor LED screens. Let's go.
Yep.
Here we are at the factory for the manufacturing of the LED screen production. We're going to show you several steps before this PCB board becomes to be a LED model for the LED model screen. All right. So as you can see here, it's absolutely empty PCB board. Nothing is inside. Right. So on this station, attached to this board, all the necessary electronic components like transistors and other stuff. One is done here. This is the transistor that we're going to put on the board itself. One is completely sealed on the PCB board. We will need to add the little diodes on the PCB board itself. Step number 2. Once we attach all the transistors to the PCB board, now we need to add the diodes itself into the PCB board. And that's exactly the second step. This is what we're going to do to show you here how it's done within the production line number 2. Okay, I'm going to put it here back because somebody's working on it right now. And we're going to see this, the machine step number 1. First of all, within this machine, we're preparing the electronic circuits within the PCB board. Do I say this correctly? Like on the PCB board, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
All right, so it happens here. Now, as we're moving to the second step, this is the Pandora box. I call it this way. From this part, the PCB board, we will start to attach the little diodes on the PCB board itself. So it's in the future to become to be an integral part for the big LED screen. So the diodes itself are coming on a bobbin, and here we have several lines which robot inside is taking inside the machine, and then it's still inside the PCB board. Okay. Here we can see the pre-final result of the PCB board ready. At the final step, once first of all we add all the circuits on the PCB board, we added the diodes, we seal them inside. This is the pre-final test check machine. This is where the machine is checked either all diodes sit in the right place and there is no any mistakes on composition. Now all the production line is fully automated. Even when the final model comes up, it comes directly into the automated ladder. It's here. It's a bit hot, so it needs to cool down. After the model has been cooled down, we are storing this here. So the final model will look like this. All printed, all sealed inside, and full of all the diodes. All right, Jason, what do you think? What is the step here?
It's very impressive, and these are very fine diodes. They're at 0.9. So before they come to the end of this as well, they undergo a QC test where they run power through the circuitry to make sure the resistance is okay, and to make sure all of the diodes are working as they should as well. So everything comes off the production line fully tested.
Okay, so this is the pre-final step before the LED model is completely ready. So we need to attach the PCB with LED diodes on board together with the bases. So first of all, she will fix the PCB board within the special mechanism, and then she's going to attach it together. So all the process is automated. So the model is ready. Now we will go to the step number 4, the final one, for the pre-test and the testing of the models for 48 hours.
The casing has been put onto the back with the 46 or 48 screws. It then goes for testing. So from testing, it's placed up on this rack for 48 hours, where they plug a power loom into the back of the PCB, and it's tested for 48 hours to make sure the diodes are all working and there's no problems with it. Following that, there's recordings then made for each of the PCB boards, ensuring they've passed their QC test.
Okay guys, so we walked you through the whole process production for the LED panel, for the screens, and now to finalize what we've seen today, I would like you to hear what Jason had to say. Jason, please explain what we see on the back side.
Thanks, Dimitri. So, okay folks, what we've got is, for example, a P0.9. This is a very high-end screen. So typically, if you come a little bit closer, you'll see this is very fine. You can clearly see the images. These type of screens at this quality is intended for up and close viewing. Where are these used? Shopping centres, retail. So when you walk into a store, you're sitting beside it, you can clearly see this is a nice juicy grapefruit. So when you are looking at this type of screen further away, it's more difficult to see. But from the range of screens from different distances, P0.9 to the other side of the scale, which is P10. So P10, you do not look at this up close. And as you can see, you can't see the grapefruit, okay? But if you step back, and this is P10, so 10 meters is where you should be. Now look, you can see the grapefruit, okay? So again, close quality distance, 1 meter, 10 meters. Outdoor and indoor. Outdoor on sides of roads, side of buildings, indoor for shopping centres. That's it guys, it's as simple as that.
Okay guys, that's it. If you have any questions, if you like to place an order, and if you like to learn more about what kind of screens we can supply for your business, please don't hesitate to contact us. All the contacts for Jason Kelly, for Dimitri are below this video. Comment us, write to us, and we will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much. Thank you.